Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today is hashtag cathysowinghappiness, in which we'll have our drawing at the end of the video. But first, let's have our shout out to Lenny, Judy, Kelly, Cathy, Julie, Liberty Lost, Roxanne, Happy Curmudgeons, and June. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm going to set this aside and we're going to get right to our project today. Today we're going to make tuck spots or journal toppers. They're very versatile in that way. So I have a piece of cardstock that I have inked and corner rounded the edges. And this is 4.5 by 3. Now you can make them any size you want, but this is the size that I'm working with today. So I have some scraps here because it's a scrap buster. So let's go ahead and let's just tear down. Let me look on this side. Okay, let's work on here. Let's tear this down. We're just going to put a few little pieces on our card here. And I am going to ink around the edge right here. Now, if you don't ink, then you obviously don't have to do that step. But I'm just going to attach it right there. So I'm going to add my Tombow glue like that, and I'm going to place it right there. I'm going to get another piece, and let's see here. Let's get some music paper. I think that would be wonderful. And I'm just going to trim this around like this. Just kind of see what kind of shape I end up with and then see if I like it or not. I don't like that corner. That's not bad. I'm not sure if I like all that jaggediness. I think I'd rather just kind of have it like that. Okay, I like that a lot better. So I'm going to ink this around. All right, so I have inked around the edges on this one. And I'd like to just glue it right on down here. Right on down. There we are. All right, so I have some other scraps here. I have this little scrap and I have this one. And I actually would like to tear this one as well. So I'm just going to see if I can just get a little bit torn off because I don't want it to be any smaller than it already is. So get that done. And I think I want it to be maybe about right there. And I'm actually thinking I want this one too. I do better this way. I think it's because I'm right-handed. I do better this way. While I tear this, I'm going to tell you what hashtag cathysowinghappiness is all about. It's helping me spread happiness by simple acts of kindness towards another person. Simple things like letting them in line of traffic, letting someone go in front of you at the grocery store because they have one item and you have 20. Simple things that don't cost you any amount of money, but it can really lift someone's spirits. It's not going to change their world or change their life or anything like that, but it will lift their spirit. And so once you do that, tell me in the most recent Cathy Sewing Happy video. That's really, really important, you guys. You have to put your act of kindness, look at the date and see if it's the most recent. Every Sunday I have this hashtag Cathy Sewing Happiness. So it's going to be very easy to see if it's the most recent or not. Every Sunday. Most recent, tell me in the comment section your act of kindness. That gets you in the fishbowl. And every Sunday we have a drawing. You enter one Sunday, you check back next Sunday to see if your name has been pulled out of the fishbowl. And what do you win? You win Happy Mail from me to you as my way of paying it forward. And I'm going to need your address. So definitely check back next Sunday if you enter. All right, so I have torn these little pieces here, and as I was talking, I should have been inking, and I was not. I was concentrating on what I was saying. Okay, so let's just get these inked up right here. So it's a great scrap buster. It's kind of a different little way of using up your pieces. And there is no sewing involved whatsoever. So I think I'd like that right like that. I would like to add a little bit of lace onto here, and I think I want it to be kind of long. Maybe something like this. No, not like that. That's too much. I can't see what I'm doing here. Oh, that's nice. And do I want it on the top? I was thinking I wanted it on the side. So let me see here. I'm not sure I can get all that stapled with one staple, because that's how we're going to attach it, is with the staple. But I might have to use 2 staples for this one. How about if we maybe put something down like that? Oh yeah, I'm liking that a lot. All right, let me cut that. I think I want this to be a little straighter. So let's go ahead and staple this. I think I can get this all stapled together. Now I moved it. Don't want to move it. Okay, that's stapled. Now let's see about this. Okay, we have this piece here. I also have this white piece. Let's see here. Oh, I think that looks nice. Let's see here. I think I can get that stapled. Let's get it in here. There we go. Isn't that cute? So cute, so easy, simple. We're using up our scraps. I'm loving it. Now I really like that on there. And let's see here. Let's cut another piece. I'm going to take the points off of here. Don't want the points on. And yeah, I like that. So I am going to use my glue gun on this one. And I'm just going to attach this with a little hot glue. Hold it for just a second while I have my labels. These are Tracy Fox labels. And I have quite a few in here. Let's see if we can find one that we like. Do we like that one? This is green. There's that Tracy Fox, though. That's her Fox logo. I thought it said her name on there, but it didn't. Oh, I like that one. All right, I'm going to add a little label on here. I'm just grabbing my ink and inking this up. Like I said, you guys, these are quick and easy. I love them. Absolutely love them. Lay that on there. So, to be able to use this, you could attach this onto your page on 3 sides and then use this as a tuck spot like this. You could probably use it as a belly band if you did the top and bottom, or you could actually place this on top of a journal for a journal topper. That would be really cute as well. Now I have some others that I've made. I've made this one. Isn't that one sweet? And I've made this one right here. I've made a blue one like this with one of those little clusters that we've made previously. And then I made this one, and this is a magazine paper piece of picture, magazine picture. See, if you don't have any printables or any fancy paper, just get the magazines and use that. And just use your book page and your magazines and your little scraps. You can cut up a shirt. This came from a shirt right here. So, you know, there's all kinds of different things and different ways that you can make these. And I just think they turned out spectacular. Let's go ahead and have our drawing. So this is for the Happy Mail. These people entered last Sunday in the most current video of hashtag cathysowinghappiness. And the winner of Happy Mail this week. And you're going to need to send me your address Sylvia Latin Lady. Sylvia, you've won Happy Mail from me to you. You guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.